No fake Magnums in circulation, says Wray Nephew Ltd.
See, China kill we.
China kill we for two. Fake.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Wray Nephew Ltd, the exclusive manufacturer and distributor of Magnum tonic wine and owner of the Magnum tonic wine brand, says claims being made in a viral social media video about its products are completely false. In the video, persons are seen comparing two Magnum bottles and declaring that one of them was a counterfeit item because it does not have numbers stamped on the bottom.
See, China kill we.
China kill we for two. Fake. Original. If you don't have no number underneath a letter and a real one. See fake one there. And they look alike, you know. They do everything alike, you know. You think they're easy?
Me I tell you, Chinese.
What say?
So me say, oh me a
compare
vomit
to one thing have the two different
from what day,
What say? Fake.
However, Wray Nephew said the conclusion reached is erroneous. We have two bottle suppliers who create bottles with and without serial numbers at the bottom of the packaging. Any properly sealed Magnum tonic wine bottle that contains or does not contain numbers on the bottom of the bottle is from Wray Nephew Ltd, a company spokesperson said in a statement. We are kindly asking members of the public to refrain from continuing to spread this misinformation, the spokesperson added.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.